Today we'll be looking at the new NVIDIA RTX 3090 Ti video card. This is the new MSI GeForce RTX 3090 Ti Gaming X Trio 24G. Good morning and welcome to Tech Interceptor. First of all, remember to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to stay up to date on upcoming videos, and if you want to take a look at our Twitter and Instagram profiles. In this new episode of First Contact, we are going to discover the MSI RTX 3090 Ti Gaming X Trio 24G. The video card is just one of many RTX 3090 Ti available on the market, of which you can find a complete roundup list in the description. Starting from the box, we find a quick user's guide, a graphic card holder, and one 12-pin to triple 8-pin connector cable. The new MSI graphic card is characterized by triple prismatic square industrial design, with grey accent around the outermost fans. Aesthetically, on each fans there is the MSI logo. At the center, the video card is enriched with RGB LED strips on the side by the RGB MSI logo, and in addition to another RGB LED strips. It's an ATX form factor graphic card, measures 325mm long, 140mm wide, 62mm height, so for the installation the card required 3 slots. According to the MSI, the new video card in question has 10,752 CUDA core, 1,920 MHz of boost core clock, 24 GB of GDDR6X memory operating at 21,000 MHz, and a 384-bit of memory bus. As graphic cooling system, we find the 3-Frost 2 thermal solution, equipped with 3 Torx Fan 4.0 fans. The core of the system is constituted by the core pipes that guarantee the maximum contact to the GPU and the heat dissipation along the heatsink. On the back side, the black metal backplate features diagonal vents, and it has the GeForce RTX logo and the MSI logo engraved on it. Furthermore, the plate increases the overall rigidity of the structure by providing additional protection to the card. New MSI card uses a single 16-pin power connector, and with this power configuration the recommended PSU is 850 watts. The I/O panel used as an air vent has a 3 display 1.4A ports and one HDMI 2.1 port. And now we talk about prices. The graphic card is available at a price of about $2,100 or 2,500 euros at the time of making this video. Huge thanks for watching up to here. As always, let me know what do you think in the comments below, and if you find this video helpful, then leave a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again for watching, see you again next time.